Good morning!
Guten Morgen!
So, today we show you the Giesbach Falls.
Oh, die sind atemberaubend schön.
They are very impressive, so let's go!
Let's go!
You can come here by car. There is a parking fee of 10 Swiss francs, but you can park all day long. Or you can come by boat and then ride up with the oldest funicular in Switzerland. It was built in 1879. It's only a short circular walk to see all the waterfalls. And there is also a hotel and a restaurant here. So, that was impressive.
Atemberaubend schön.
Oh yeah. And if you come to Switzerland, you definitely have to visit the Giesbach Falls.
Unbedingt.
So, thanks for joining us on this trip and we see you in the next one. Bye!
Ciao!